Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. We are going to solve this question which state design a product from waste fabric and describe in 50-70 words and tell about the source of the fabric. So this is a question that came into NIFT and we'll try to see how this kind of questions can be attempted. So suppose we have a waste fabric, sorry, uh, suppose a waste t-shirt. All right. Suppose you need to show the source of the wasted fabric. So suppose our source is a wasted t-shirt which had been tattered here and there and it looks kind of dirty. Okay, and it is suppose of this color, which is which has eroded as the color has eroded over time. Okay, so this gives an understanding of your original fabric which is at place. All right, now you can add certain graphics here, certain indication that this is something wasted which has to be reused. All right, now after this you need to show the next step, which is from here how we are going to use it for a purpose. So typically from here you can show give an arrow to give an understanding like how this cloth will be modified. Okay, now if I use this, you make a copy of this one. All right, and to modify this for a useful purpose. Okay, so suppose I consider you erase some part of it so that it comes into a desired shape. All right, so look, observe carefully how we do it. So I introduce certain breaks here. Okay, and this part we let it go. And then we show that this is how the fabric is modified. Okay, and written that suppose this is the outer part where it has been broken and torn apart. Okay, and you can introduce certain rigged straightened fill. Okay, now here from this to this, now you can write that it was as the original waste fabric, and from here it is torn vertically into strips. Okay, now after that we can give an arrow like how this process is moving and how it is being used. Okay, then we can introduce a handle. Okay, suppose a handle of a that can stick which can act as a handle, and this same tattered cloths can now be used as a edge of a cloth for a mopping stick. So from here actually you are actually depicting how that tattered clothes is being used now. Okay, so that is how you have to show the process in a sketch, which is somewhat difficult, but somehow you have to understand how you can depict your idea via sketch, which becomes very easy for the examiner and also other onlookers of your artwork to understand your idea. Then finally you can write here cloth for mopping stick. So this entire thing becomes the ideation sketch of how a waste fabric can be used. Okay, so this is how the process of using that design a product from a waste fabric, and this is how you can give the solution through a sketch diagrammatically. And after that you can introduce a short brief which is called the design description, and here there you can write that in the design sketch a wasted t-shirt fabric has been used to make a mopping cloth which is attached to a stick that acts as a handle. Here the wasted fabric has been reused for another useful purpose. So this is the description that you have to write in the examination paper along with the sketch. So this is how this is the way you can give this kind of solutions to this type of questions, which tries to understand how you think visually, or whatever your ideas are, how you can communicate that in visually with the help of proper sketches, diagrams, and descriptions. So I hope this helps you in understanding solving this kind of questions. Thank you.